Hello viewers, welcome to finite element analysis weighted residual technique problem. The differential equation of physical phenomena is given by trial function d square y divided by dx square plus 500 x square equal to 0. The limit value is 0 to 1. Trial function y equal to a1 x minus x power 4. Boundary condition is given. Calculate the value of parameter a1 by the following methods: point collocation method, subdomain method, least square method, and Galerkin method.
Method of weighted residual methods. In this problem, the given value is differential equation is given d square y divided by dx square plus 500 x square equal to 0. The trial function equation is given is y equal to a1 x minus x4. The boundary condition is given 0 to 1. The problem is asking to determine the value of the parameter a1 by using the point collocation method, subdomain method, least square method, Galerkin method. Actually, that weighted residual method is another name is double G R methods. The double G will be indicated a weighted function. R will be indicate the residual. The residual means it is a error. So from that first we have to determine the value of the parameter a1 by using point collocation method. The first step we have determined the residual calculation. From the residual calculation, the point collocation approach is the residual equal to 0. The subdomain method is required to integral function of 0 to 1 residual and dx equal to 0. Then least square method is integral function of limit value 0 to 1 r square into dx equal to 0. Galerkin method is this method approach is we consider the weighing function and residual. The integral function of 0 to 1 double G weight function into r dx equal to 0. The next step we have to verify the boundary condition as per given the trial function equation. So the boundary condition is given limit is 0 to 1. We have to verify it by given trial function equation y of 0 a1 0 minus 0 4 equal to 0. Similarly, the another boundary condition is upper limit is 1. So y of 1 equal to a1 1 minus 1 power 4 equal to 0. So the boundary condition is satisfied. After that we have to, the next step we have to calculate the residual calculation. Residual calculation, first we have to write down the what is the differential equation given in this problem. D square y divided by dx square plus 500 x square equal to 0. The trial function equation is y equal to a1 x minus x4. So we have to calculate the two times we have to differentiate the differential equation. So dy by dx, first differential a1 1 minus 4 into x cube, second differential d square minus dx square equal to a1 0 minus 3 into 4 12 x square. This above, this is the value we have to substitute in this given differential equation. So substitute this value minus 12 into a1 x square plus 500 x square. This is called residual. We can label as a r suffix d. Residual. So the first given we have to the problem that we have to determine the value of the parameter of a1 by using a bind colligation method. In this method is required to the residual equal to 0. So residual as suffix d equal to 0. So minus 12 a1 x square plus 500 x square equal to 0. From that we have to calculate the a1 value. So from this common term we can eliminate. So 500 divided by 12 by using your calculator. 500 divided by 12 we have obtained the value is 41.66. Similarly, we have to from the based on this residual function we have to calculate the by using a subdomain method, least square method and Galerkin method. The same approach we have to calculate the value of the parameter a1 by using subdomain method. Subdomain method is integral of limit of 0 to 1 residual into dx equal to 0. The residual is given minus 12 a1 x square plus 500 x square. Substitute this value 0 to 1. 12 a1 x square plus 500 x square into dx equal to 0. So integrate the term individually, then substitute the limit value 0 to 1. So 12 a1 x, integrate this x square term is x cube divided by 3, limit value is 0 to 1 plus 500 x cube divided by 3, 0 to 1 limit value. So equal to 0. Based on this subdomain approach. Now substitute this limit value. Before that the common term we can eliminate. So 12 a1 1 minus 0 plus 500. So 1 minus 0 equal to 0. So this minus I am using the term a1 so plus 500 equal to 0. Similarly this a1 is 500 divided by 12. What is the value is coming? 41.66. Approximation method is least square method. The least square method is integration of limit value is 0 to 1 r square into dx equal to 0. We know that the residual value is minus 12 a1 x square plus 500 x square. So this we can rewritten this formula is integral of 0 to 1 r into dou r divided by dou with respect to what the value we are going to determine the a1 value a1 into dx. First step, from the residual we have to calculate the dou r divided by dou a1 equal to, from the residual, minus 12a1 x square. This value is correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, substitute this value in the least square method formula. So integration of 0 to 1. The r value is, residual value is given, minus 12a1 x square plus 500 x square into
Minus 12 x square. A1 is not given from sir.
minus 12a1 x square plus 500 x square into minus
Minus 12 x square.
x square.
A1 will not given.
So differentiate with respect to a1. We are obtaining this value is, it's exactly minus 12 x square. So equal to 0. By using your calculator, first you have to multiply by using the value 12 into 12, that is 144.
A1 x power 4.
144 is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. a1 x square plus
X power 4. X power 4 sir.
then 12 into 500
Minus.
so minus
6,000 x power 4.
6000 x 4. So integral limit of 0 to 1, then dx equal to 0. Then next you have to integrate these values, that 144 a1 x, integrate this same is x 5 divided by 5, limit value is 0 to 1, then minus 6000 x 5 divided by 5, limit value is 0 to 1. Simplify this term by using your calculator. I think this common term we can eliminate. Yes sir. Then so 144 a1 1 minus 0 minus 6000 1 minus 0 equal to 0. So a1 equal to 6000 divided by 144.
41.66.
41.66.
66.
Say exactly. The last method is Galerkin method. We determine the point collocation by using point collocation method, where the value of parameter a1 is 41.6. Similarly, the subdomain method also we obtain the values a1 41.66. Least square method also we are getting a 41.66. Almost similar values. So the last method is mostly in FEM. We are using a Galerkin method approach. In this method, the double T is a weight function based on your trial function equation. We thought this is a, we take as a weight function. So weight function, separately we write this weight function w1 a1 x minus x4. The residual already we determined, minus 12 a1 x square plus 500 x square. So based on Galerkin method approaches, integral of limit value is 0 to 1, weight function into residual dx equal to 0. So substitute this weight function and residual in this Galerkin approach. It is a1 x minus x4, residual is minus 12 a1 x square plus 500 x square integration of 0 to 1 dx equal to 0. Simplify this step. First we have to multiply x into 12 a1 x square x into 500 x square, then minus x4 into 12 a1 x square minus x4 into 500 x square. Can you give the values?
minus 12 a1 x cube
Minus 12 a1
x cube
cube before integral 0 to 1 limit value.
yes sir
Okay, next value
plus 500 x cube
plus 500 x cube
plus 12 a1 x
12 a1
x power 6
x power 6
minus 500 x power 6 into dx.
then integral this above this equation minus 12 a1 x4 divided by 4, the limit value is 0 to 1 plus 500 x4 divided by 4, the limit value is 0 to 1. The next value is 12 a1 x7 divided by, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus 12 a1 x7 divided by 7, the limit value is 0 to 1 minus 500 x7 divided by 7, 0 to 1. Then apply the limit values. A1 1 minus 0 plus 500 1 minus 0 plus 12 a1 1 minus 0 minus 500, so 1 minus 0. Apply the all the limit carefully by using your calculator. Finally you can obtain the value a1 equal to
41.66
41.66. So you are similar approach, similar value you are getting all the value of parameter a1. So by using a point collocation method and subdomain method and least square method and a Galerkin method also we are obtaining as same value we are getting. So actually the finite element analysis approximation method, when you are getting a exact result, we have to increase these parameters, order of equation, first order and second order, polynomial or quadratic equation. Then only we can get the exact solution. I summarize this weighted residual method. It have actually in first unit you can get the 16 mark question. On the examination we can get this question paper in this method. First method is point collocation method. Only thing is first step we have to verify the boundary condition. After the verification of the boundary condition, next you have to determine the residual. From the residual we have to calculate the all the parameter value a1. So the residual equal to 0. Then the integral of 0 to 1 residual into dx equal to 0. The least square method is as square dx limit value is integral 0 to 1 equal to 0. Then Galerkin method is integral value of 0 to 1 weight function into residual dx equal to 0. Mostly in finite element analysis we are using Galerkin approach.